Beep. Oh, well, it's been a month. Almost. Oh, someday we'll have to talk about that over there. Derp, derp, derp. Ah, a collection of bones is beginning to fill in one of these holes. Where do the bones come from, Charlie? Where are you guys finding those bones? Oh, it's looking like mowing time again. Okay, so I haven't been out here for about a week, which is way too long. It's been rainy, but today is the first kind of hot sunny day, and I finally have a day to do this. So welcome to this edition of my garden. What is today? The 4th of July. This is the herb garden, getting a bit overgrown, could probably use some water. I did take out the dill and cleaned it up and froze about 6 bags of it. So I don't know what I'll use that for. Maybe pickling spice later. So now my strawberries are free once again to inhabit their entire box. Okay, I haven't been out here in a while. Let's actually take a look. Look at that. What do we got going on here? Wow, you know, look at that. I'd given up on that. I think that one's a squash. Spaghetti squash. Got some of these, a lot of bite damage. That's the borage even. Maybe it's good I keep the borage in here to be sacrificial. This one is a cuke slicer. Look at that. Really took off. I see a blomba down there. And perhaps in there. Oh, I know what you are. Sir, not allowed in this garden. Okay, I can't weed right now. We're filming. And looks like that one is also taken off. Very nice, very nice. Oh, my poor onion. These are the garlics. All right. I've definitely got scapes, so, and I've really should have gotten them sooner, but I'm gonna top all those today. And these make the whole thing, if you chop it up, is a really nice additive to a stew or a stir fry or something like that. So I can see I got to do all those. Pretty yellowed. Yeah, they, you know, I'm pretty new to garlic still, and I think this garlic is hurting on account of, my theory is the cedar boxes. I don't know, I think it might even be ready to harvest soon. Oh my God. What? This is my first time looking at it in a week. What has happened? I've got dill galore. My tomatoes are thick and vast. I see, what the heck is this flower? This looks like a mini bok choy that's gone to seed, but I didn't plant any this year. Nice buttery zesty leaves. I've got them all over the place. I should probably harvest those. And the tomatoes are just going off. Oh my goodness. I'm sure there's weeds in here too. I know you're a weed. How do I know that's a weed? I know that is. Into the tomb. My, oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, let's keep going. The carrots, I thinned all these. And I would say I think it's a pretty good thin job. I'm gonna leave that for now. Horsetail. Oh, I will have you. Oh. All right. The carrots are looking good. Oh my goodness. So many of those kind of weeds. I'm gonna have to deal with that. And then down here we got the potatoes. Look how deep this grass is. Mosquitoes. Oh, over here I've got, how are my raspberries doing? Oh, I've made this icky thing to walk through. Yeesh. And I actually don't know if that's stinging nettle, but I kind of think it is. Protecting my raspberry patch. Look at all those raspberries back there. I'm gonna come out here and pick some of those on the other side of the fence later. Sweet. Really overgrown down there. Potato patch. Look at this one. This one's, I think that's the sangria or I forget what that one's called. A red potato. Nice little periscope tower over everything else. Oh, these ones are blooming too, a different bloom. These might be the Yukon Golds. They might also be the russets though, because these ones have a different bloom again. One of them's Yukon Gold and one of them's russet. Can we read that down there? Oh, that might be a russet. And then those are probably the Yukon Gold. All right, some of the throwaway squashes. Really loving this corner down here. Diving down into the deep grass, which is fine. That's a good place for you. All right, the potatoes are doing fantastic. Here we have, it's getting hot out here, my peppers, and they don't look the happiest. It has been pretty wet. They might really like it now that it's supposed to get hot again. And this one has got some blooms, so this one's doing good. What is that? The hot flame pepper. And, oh, I know you're a weed, geez. Got a lot of work to do. There you go. That you don't want. The beets, which I do need to thin, and there's some more salad toppings for tonight, I think. Oh, ants! I'm covered in ants! Where do the ants come from? They must live, ow! They actually bite. They must live under that board. Maybe that's why the peppers aren't doing so good. Oh my goodness, they're all over me. I was joking, but that was actually not fun. Over there, I think we see some teenage pregnancy with those tomatoes. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Look at that. First tomatoes of the season. And I have a tag, but it's pointing the wrong way. I'll have to take a look at them later. Can you see all those ants on that board? I gotta do something about that. Okay. Here are the sprinkler whipped, although not for the past week because it's been raining, and they seem to be doing well. And another shot of that jungle. These are the cucumbers, which are really going off, and I even have little cukes starting. I've got to pin these up, and you know, I've never had such good success with cucumbers ever. This is my best year yet. Oh, I know what you are. That one, do not want. You can give up your soil though. Yeah, okay, so the cucumbers are doing good, and I've got a second batch of dill growing in amongst everything. So, dill for days. More dill. It's definitely the year of the dill, although this one looks like a cilantro to me. That kind of suffered somehow. Last year was the year I had so much cilantro in this garden and no dill. This year, almost no cilantro and dill, so much dill. Just volunteering. Oh, let's look at the cauliflowers. Oh, there's a floret just starting. It's probably a week or two away. And not yet for you. Let's see. How about you? Oh, is something eating this one? God damn it. All right, well, yeah, there's some, it looks like some kind of pest in there. I guess we'll see. Dang. Maybe they all got topped. We'll find out. Anyway, that's where the garden's at on the 4th of July.